When you die, don't worry. Don't be concerned over your decaying body, because the people will take care of what is required. They will strip you of your clothes, wash you, shroud you, take you out of your home to your new place of stay, which is the grave. Many will come to bid farewell at your funeral. In fact, many will cancel work for the sake of your burial, even though most of them didn't think about advising you even once whilst you were alive. Your belongings will be gotten rid of, your keys, your books, your bags, your shoes, your clothes. If your family are wise, they will give it to charity so that it may benefit you in your record of good deeds. And be assured that this dunya will not grieve over you, nor will the world and the economy stop. Your job, someone else will take your position. Your wealth will go to your inheritors, whereas you will remain to be questioned about every minor and major deed. There will be three types of grievers over you. The people who knew you only at face value will say, "Poor man, woman." Your friends will grieve for hours or days, but then return to laughter. The deep grief at your household will last for a week, 2 weeks, a month, 2 months, or even a year. And thereafter they will add you to their memories. And so your story amidst the people ended, and your story with the reality begins. And that is the life after death. Indeed, these things left you: beauty, wealth, health, children, the mansions and cars, the spouse, everything, and your real life has started. And the question here is, what have you prepared for your grave and hereafter? This reality needs to be thought over. Take care of the obligations, for example, the salah, voluntary good deeds, secret charity, righteous deeds, night prayers. Perhaps you will be saved. وَاذْكُرْ فَإِنَّ الذِّكْرَ تَنْفَعُ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ, and continue to remind, for surely the reminder benefits the believers.